Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Jinzy and I'm on a journey to become debt free. I'm trying to upload as much video as I can, if I can, 6 times a week, so my watch hour can go up because I already reached my 12-month in YouTube. And yeah, so if you could play my playlist, I appreciate it. I do want to say a little shout out to Jessie Budgets and Budgeting with Gigi, I believe. That's her username, but those two girlfriends are been playing my playlist non-stop. I appreciate you guys so much. So today we're going to be cash stuffing. I don't have a lot of money, and that's the honest, raw truth of cash stuffing for me for low income. I am a server, and every dollar has a purpose. Every dollar has a job. So we have 20, 40, 60, 60, 70, 80, 95, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 101. So $101 to cash stuff today. Not a lot, but that's how it is today. So basically the way how I cash stuff my money is I get paid every day. If I work every day, which I work 6 times a day. Right now, since we got the new server, I might only work 5 times a day because we're gonna get some hours cut off, which sucks, but that's okay. So now that I said that we're gonna get our hours cut off, I have decided I'm not gonna cash stuff no longer, or I'm not gonna save anymore my thumbs up, because you know I'm on a journey to become debt free, and I feel like in my head, in my mind, it makes a lot more sense to just stop that completely and use that money that I have already done in the first month to just throw it towards my debt, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. And so maybe in the future I'm able to do the thumbs up likes, and yeah. All right guys, so for my bill slash rent binder, all I have left is my rent. And on this one, we're going to add all the 20s. So we're going to add 20, 40, 60. So we're going to add $60, and I need 500 for rent. We have 100, 220. So 220 for rent. We're hoping we complete it before this month ends. So yeah, like I said, I don't have much today, but I'm showing you guys my life, right? My journey. So yeah, now let's do some cash stuffing in my saving binder here. I will do this envelope here for my oil change. I need my oil done, you guys, this month. Maybe next week, I don't know. So we only have 40 bucks, and I think it's like 100 and something. So there 20, 40, 50, and 60 so far. Ooh, there's her hair. So okay, so this is my main priority right now. So we have $60 there. Awesome. Okay, here on this one, you guys, I really want to get it done as soon as possible because it's a great amount of money. Look, it's $300. So on this one, I'm going to do a 10. And that's all that I'm going to do because I don't have more money. But we're going to do a 10. This might be the smallest or quick video ever. So a 10 on this one. Okay. And we're almost there. We're getting there. Not there yet, but we're getting there. Okay, and then let's add some to this one. Even though I don't have much money, but let's do a 5. I want them to have a little bit. I wanted to do the 15 because all I have left is one more 15, but you know, sometimes you can't. So we're going to add a 5 to that one. And this one saves me $150. So we're getting there as well. We're getting there. Okay, there's that. And then let's see, This one saves me $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exactly $4. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so I don't know how much this one will save me because I haven't added up, and I don't want to add it up until I'm done with it. So it's gonna be a mystery on that one, so that's exciting. Okay, and then last but not least, I have $2 left, which means I will add it towards Eric and Dylan. So Dylan is my youngest and Eric is my oldest. So there you have it, guys. Look how quick money goes. Extremely quick. And then Alex is my husband. All I have for Alex is $10 since his birthday was this week. Thank you so much for everybody that said happy birthday to him. Appreciate it. I told him. And yeah, so all right, there you have it. So we'll be here back again tomorrow for Freebie Friday. I'm excited. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Have a lovely Thursday.